Looking up best premium car speakers feels like walking into a room where everyone's saying the same thing. Same wattage, same crisp sound claims, same generic door mount photos. But here's the thing, just because they look alike doesn't mean they sound alike. The real difference? It's buried in the details most people skip.
Product number 1, Boss Audio Systems CH6530, a 6.5-inch three-way coaxial speaker that costs under $30. Yeah, you read that right. At this price, you'd expect tinny highs and weak bass, but surprisingly, it holds its own. The 300-watt max power and 90 dB sensitivity mean it gets loud fast, even without an amp. The poly-injection cone and rubber surround help deliver decent mid-range, and the piezo tweeter adds a bit of starple to vocals and guitar solos. For factory speaker replacements, this is a solid budget-friendly upgrade. Now here's why this matters for you. If your car still has those flimsy OEM speakers that crackle at high volume, the CH6530 gives you noticeable clarity and volume without rewiring your whole system. It's coaxial, so it drops right into most doors with minimal hassle. The 100 Hz to 18 kHz frequency range covers the essentials. You'll hear clearer dialogue in podcast and better instrument separation in rock or hip-hop. Plus, with over 1,000 sold recently, it's clearly resonating with budget-conscious drivers. But let's be real, this isn't audiophile territory. Some users complain about distortion when pushed past 75.
Product number 2, Boss CH6530B, Black Variant. The Boss CH6530B, basically the blacked-out twin of the first speaker, but with a few subtle tweaks. Same 6.5-inch size, same 300-watt peak, but this version uses a polyurethane surround instead of rubber and has a slightly narrower frequency range, 100 Hz to 15 kHz. That means slightly less high-end detail, but potentially better moisture resistance, which matters if you live in a humid climate or park outside often. Here's why this version might actually be smarter for daily drivers. The flush mount design and lighter cone materials help it blend into factory setups without modification. The 90 decibel sensitivity still ensures loud, clear output from your head unit, and the 4 ohm impedance plays nice with most factory amps. It's not going to blow you away, but it cleans up muddy factory sound noticeably, especially in older sedans or hatchbacks where audio was an afterthought. Now, the downside, that reduced top end only up to 15 kHz, means cymbals and high vocals can sound a bit dull compared to pricier models. Also, the mounting depth is just over 2 inches, tight for some door panels. A few buyers mentioned fit issues in Honda Civics and Toyota Corollas, so double check your specs before buying. This is perfect for you if you want a stealthy, no-fuss replacement that looks clean and sounds better than stock. Skip it if you crave bright, detailed highs or drive a performance car with tighter door cavities. At $27, it's another solid budget pick. Just know it trades a little clarity for durability. Product number 3, Pioneer TS501M 4-way coaxial. We're stepping up. Meet the Pioneer TS501M, a 5.25-inch 4-way coaxial that punches above its size. At $48, it's pricier, but you're getting serious engineering. Separate drivers for bass, mid-range, and 2 tweeters, including a super tweeter. That means vocals sit front and center, while highs stay crisp without harshness, even at highway speeds with windows down. Here's why this matters. Most premium speakers just add 1 tweeter. Pioneer went full send with dual high-frequency drivers and a cellulose fiber mid-range cone that handles complex passages smoothly. The 44 Hz to 52 kHz range is wild for a coaxial. You'll actually hear sub-bass textures and airy details in jazz or classical tracks. And with 89 dB sensitivity, it doesn't need a monster amp to shine. But, and this is a real but, the 5.25-inch size limits bass impact. Don't expect chest-thumping lows unless you add a sub. Also, the iron plate basket, while sturdy, adds weight and may require minor bracket adjustments in some cars. A few users reported needing custom spacers for proper fitment. This is perfect for you if you listen to a wide range of music and want clarity, not just volume. Skip it if you're all about bass or have large 6.5-inch openings, you're underspending on space. For balanced, detailed sound under $50, Pioneer nailed it. Product number 4, Orion Cobalt CM654 Mid-Range. Things get interesting. The Orion Cobalt CM654 isn't a full-range speaker. It's a dedicated mid-range driver with a bullet design, built for systems where you've already got subs and tweeters covered.
At $65, it's niche, but if you're serious about sound staging, this thing delivers. Here's the deal. With 250 watt RMS and a 96.67 decibel efficiency rating, it gets insanely loud with minimal power. The 1.5-inch voice coil and paper cone give it fast transient response, meaning drums snap, vocals breathe, and instruments don't blur together. The bullet center pole extends high-frequency reach without losing mid-body, so your music feels centered and natural, not scattered. But, big but, this is not a drop-in replacement. You need an active crossover, proper enclosure tuning, and likely a separate amp. It won't work with your factory radio. Some buyers regretted buying it thinking it was a simple upgrade, only to realize they needed a full system overhaul. This is perfect for you if you're building a custom audio setup and want studio-grade mid-range clarity. Skip it if you just want better sound without rewiring your car. For pro-level mid-range under $70, unbeatable. Product number 5. Kenwood KFC 1666R Road Series. The Kenwood KFC 1666R, a 6.5-inch two-way coaxial that balances price, performance, and brand trust. At $37, it sits right in the sweet spot. Not cheap, not premium, but seriously capable. The cloth woofer and balanced dome tweeter deliver warm, natural sound. Think rich vocals and smooth guitar tones without harsh peaks. Here's why this stands out. Kenwood tuned these for real-world driving. The 40 Hz to 22 kHz range means you get usable bass, unlike many coaxials that start at 80+ Hz. And the 4 ohm impedance ensures stable performance even with long wire runs. The heavy-duty magnet and shallow depth make installation easier than most, no sawing doors apart. The flaw? It's only two-way, so it can't match the detail of 3- or 4-way designs. Highs aren't as extended as Pioneers, and it lacks the raw power of Orion. But for daily listening, it's incredibly smooth. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, well-rounded upgrade from stock with zero hassle. Skip it if you're chasing extreme fidelity or max volume. For under $40, one of the best all-arounders out there. So which one's best? If you're on a tight budget, the Boss CH6530 or CH6530B get the job done. Want more detail? Pioneer's TS501M delivers. Building a pro system? Orion's CM654 is mid-range magic. And if you want balance, ease, and brand reliability, Kenwood's KFC 1666R is your winner. No single speaker fits all, but one of these definitely fits you.